my unboxing friends, I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag. Now if you're not familiar, this is a monthly beauty subscription. You do set up a profile based on your preferences. This runs $13. They do have a Glam Bag Plus, which is $28, and you get about 5 full-size products in this bag. In this bag, you get 5 sample sizes and some deluxe sample sizes. You also get a few full-size products in here depending on what the product is. Now, they have the Glam Bag Plus, which is 5 full-size products inside, and that one runs $28 a month. I really like that one. And then they have the Glam Bag X, which you get 4 times a year, which is instead of the Glam Bag Plus on that corresponding month. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for August. Now, inside the bag, if it's too big to fit in this bag, they'll just go ahead and put it in your mailer for you. So here is my bag. It has Monstera leaves, some palm fronds. It's like a peach color. And then of course you have the Ipsy pull on the inside. There's what it looks like on the inside, of really pretty peach colored lining. And this month it's Hotel Paradise. Now I believe they have everything listed in here. Yay. I mean, they put the card in here anyway. A lot of companies, what they're doing is they want to eliminate this piece of paper. But they're still putting it in there. I just, I like when they put the products on there all the time. So let's see what we got. The first thing I am pulling out is by Lasting Smiles. It's Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. That's what that looks like. This is a full size and it retails for $5.99. Let's see what it says. One swipe of this juicy balm provides your lips with instant hydration and nourishment, thanks to vitamin E. Use it alone or apply it under lipstick for juicy, chafe-free lips. They recommend that you exfoliate your lips before use for the smoothest application. The next thing, Beauty by Jasmine Luxe Lash Mascara. That's what that looks like. And this has an hourglass wand. I'll go ahead and put a picture. I don't want to open it because mascara has a short shelf life. So this says, false-like length without the hassle. Sign us up. The wand has a thicker base brush that evenly combs through lashes for clump-free finish, plus a tapered tip to grab those small, hard to reach corners. And it says to apply 2 coats for extreme length. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $24. And is this in black? What color is this? I don't see a color anywhere. So I am assuming that it is black, which is fine. I like black eyelashes. The next thing is by Pistache Skincare. It is pistachio oil. It's a hydrating cream that refreshes the eye area. This is a deluxe sample. This fast absorbing eye freshener goes on smoothly and helps to even out your under eye skin. A potent moisturizing fluid that helps to diminish visible signs of aging around the eyes. This formula harnesses the power of pistachio oil to help hydrate and refresh. Now, this is a deluxe sample. The regular is 30 ml, and that runs for $42. I do like eye creams. It just always feels so nice and cool when you're putting it around your eyes. And if you have extra eye cream on your fingers, put it on your upper lip. The next thing, now this was my choice. I've heard good things about this product. It's Yenza. It is Super Serum Silk Foundation. It has vitamin C, E, and ferulic and bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. It's always fun trying to pronounce these names of things. So let's go ahead and see. They sent me light medium based on my profile, so we'll see if that is going to work for me. It has a safety seal on it, and we're just going to plop that right there. That does look like a color I would use. It does look like it's medium to full coverage, but yes, that is a color I will be able to use. Excellent. Wow, look how nice that looks. But yeah, I have seen people use this and it just gives them a nice flawless finish. So this is, you get flawlessly hydrated and radiant skin with this foundation that goes on your face like a serum. Vitamins and peptides nourish your skin as a full coverage formula covers all imperfections. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is 30 ml and runs for $42. The last thing, Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Oh, I like frothy ones. It feels good. So let's see about this. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is 150 ml and runs for $30. One step to melt away makeup and rid our faces of dirt and oil. This gentle paraben-free cleanser gets your skin super clean without stripping, thanks to nourishing meadow foam seed oil. It doubles as a brush cleaner too. Work a pea-size amount into the damp bristles and then rinse. So it does remove makeup. I'll be putting that to the test tonight. And I do product reviews every once in a while. So I'll put this in that bin so that I can go ahead and give you a review. So we have the face wash, the Yenza foundation, the pistachio oil, a mascara, and a lip balm. I thought that this month was pretty good. I'm not happy about Ipsy throwing in a handling fee. I mean, I don't understand that. I guess that's a way for them to raise the price of the bag without actually raising the price of the bag. So subscription boxes are subject to handling fees as well. So they did that on all of their bags, and it was just a little sneaky surprise for us. But I actually am thinking of canceling this one because I guess I don't really want sample sizes. I want more of the full sizes, which I do get the Glam Bag Plus for 28 bucks. I do get that, and I love the products I get in that. So I'm thinking of canceling this one so I can use that money to get something else. I pay for all of my boxes that I get, and I don't get one every day because then that would just eat my money up. So that's why my videos are kind of scattered a little bit. When I get a box, I'll go ahead and film it, and then I just wait for the next box to come in. I don't subscribe to a ton of boxes and stuff. I wouldn't be able to afford that. But anyway, I'm really glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.